Hi, my name is Jeff Smith, Service Manager with Gates Honda, and I'm here to answer your most frequently asked questions in our service department. Why should I choose Gates Honda Service Department over an independent shop? So at Gates Honda, we offer factory trained technicians who are specifically trained to service your make and model. We offer factory parts. They're specifically designed to fit your car 100% every time. We provide excellent service. We're held to a higher standard by the manufacturer, and we want to make sure that our customers receive that excellent service each and every visit. We provide a complimentary inspection. We do more than just an oil change, and over time we can save you money.